In this video, we will walk through the Prodexo AI admin dashboard and understand how productivity insights are calculated, filtered, and presented. Let's start at the top. Here we have the time preset selector, which allows admin to instantly switch between views like today, this week, this month, or this year. Whatever timeline you select is automatically reflected across all KPIs and charts on the dashboard. Next is the device filter. This allows you to select a specific device and analyze productivity data at the individual device or user level. Alongside that, we have date range filter, where we can manually choose a start and end date to analyze productivity for any custom time period. And if needed, the reset button clears the filters instantly, bringing the dashboard back to its default view. Now, this is an important section. From the download button, admins can directly download the Prodexo agent for Windows and Linux. Once installed, the agent enables secure and ethical monitoring of user activity, forming the foundation for all insight you can see here. Below this, we see the 4 KPIs. These scores summarize productivity integrity at the glance. The first is the integrity score. This represents how trustworthy user activity is. Based on multiple signals such as mouse jiggler detection, USB activity, calendar behavior, website and window activity. Next is the anomaly score. This shows the percentage of suspicious activities detected across activities like jiggler, USB or unproductive websites. The third KPI is focus time. This measures how much time users spend on productive work compared to total monitoring activity. And finally, suspicious activity. This aggregates all flagged or abnormal events across the system, giving admin a clear signal when behavior needs attention. Below the KPIs, we have multiple trend-based graphs, all filterable by daily, weekly, monthly, or yearly intervals. The anomalies detection graph shows how often warning or enforcement action occur over the time. The focus time trend compares productive time against total activity. The productivity trend visualizes productive versus unproductive activity across the system timeline. The integrity score trend shows how overall integrity scores evolves over the time. And the suspicious activity trend highlights patterns of risk or non-complaint behavior. Next, we have the flagged meeting section. Here, admins can review meetings that were identified as suspicious, including date, time, or reason for flagging. This makes fake calendar meetings easy to audit or verify. Below, that is the anomaly escalation table. This table shows all enforcement actions, including freezes, along with the employee name, device, and reason for the action. This ensures complete transparency and accountability. Now let's move to the one of the most powerful area, that is productivity analysis. First, we see top website displaying in a pie chart. Clicking view all reveals the full list of websites used during the selected time period. Next is the top application, showing which app were mostly used, again with the detailed view available. For user productivity, activity is clearly categorized into productive, unproductive, and undefined along with total hours. And then we have top user activities highlighted with top 5 users based on active working hours. And finally, top categories, where all websites are grouped into meaningful categories, making browser behavior easy to understand. All of these insights work together to provide a complete, accurate, and ethical view of productivity. In our upcoming videos, we will explore each of these modules in detail, so stay tuned with Prodexo.